In this video, I will show you how to download images and videos directly from websites that don't allow you to do so by default, without the need for any third-party apps or extensions. So I've got open here Instagram as an example, and let's say I want to download this image right here. So if I open that up and right click on it, you can see there's no save image option here. What you want to do is click on inspect element. Now this will open up a whole bunch of tags here, and I'm using Firefox. Depending on your browser it might look slightly different, but it's essentially the same thing. As you hover over these tags, it will show you what it corresponds to in the web page. You want to open up the one that's for the image, so you click on the small arrow there and you need to look for src. That will give you the source of the image, so you can copy that. Make sure you're not copying in the quotations at the beginning and end, and open up a new tab, paste that in, and you've got your image that you can download directly. For videos it's essentially the same thing. You just need to look for the src tag. So inspect element, try and find which element it is. So you can see this element is actually for the play button and not the source. So let's go one above that, and might need to open a couple here. So this src at the bottom would be the thumbnail, and this one would be the video. You can see it's written video there. So if you copy that and paste that inside, you can download your video directly.